good. This is all because of this dog of a man, this Onyoshin, this criminal, this bofu. And I bought chi meneho ipu wine. Why are you criminal-minded person? Why is it that Oshin Bano no Bana? Una ne zunya with a clean face kana tojo. Why are you a born criminal? Why unu je Oshin broad day robbery? Una ne well, anybody that associates with Udele, what do you expect? A criminal born, brought up on a base and deportee like Udele. Show me your friends and I will tell you who you are. A born criminals that associate with criminals. So you were the impetus, you were the goal to still put up a straight face, and you came to Facebook to lie. Why are you guys born criminal? Yeah, I can see you, Alenwa. Tell people where I am, where I can read their comments. What? Please share this program and we'll expose all the information, the group chat. Let me tell you. You know, when you guys opened that WhatsApp group, a lot of my followers joined you guys. I will show people that donated money so far. I heard that you was running a program. You say, why didn't I show the account if I'm telling the truth? So you guys are not ashamed of yourself that you guys do not have money, and you guys open the WhatsApp group. You see how they got. You see, put up a straight up face with your criminality lifestyle. You and Udele. So uno can deny you hearing a megi. So you guys are ashamed of yourselves. So you can't handle a Bukobi than mouth. All majority of you guys are they silent in due time. So hearing a mezunu to earn that you guys gathered in WhatsApp group, begging people to DM you the same accounts. Kunu just scam muga people broad day like broad day robbery. Ana jogigana to ashe. You see, people that are following them, you see, a man that cannot own up. So you cannot own up, stand fame. Imane when kono Ogechi make the strike at that account to the larger and I gonna close woya. Do you know that? You know they can put restriction on that account. If you keep denying it, they will just won't call. Put your petition and put that you claim that this account is not by Udele. Put where restriction Udele cannot cover money again until you shinga on. Do you know it can be done? Do you know that account can be blocked? Do you know that? You can look up a straight up face with your lying motherfucking bloody demon dog of a pig like you. Now still denying people. Do you know that we can put an end to that money? They cannot even cash that money out. Do you know that? When deny career put to hold to that account. Do you know that? But I choroko ime career put to hold to that account until the lapotanga be verify am or one account am or one account. Why are you a lying dog of a pig? So here in a moon full grown ass man like and you still put up a face. In my account, I appreciate a restriction that somebody is using that fake account to scam people. If you are still claiming that you're not the owner of that account, that you guys are not the one using that account to raise funds. Do you know that? It's possible. We're gonna present your video that you claim that somebody else is using that account to solicit funds. Ichokai maka. Onyushi chorokai maka. Chorokai maka. Will you continue to deny it? Sanye menegi easy. Ka happy this particular account is scam. According to you. Amusu unyushi. It's okay, put an end to it that you claim that somebody did this account and scamming people. I strike one on that side. Because that is exactly what you're claiming. Because you're ashamed of yourself to come out and tell the world that, yes, as poor as we are making trouble, but we don't have shaken to exonerate ourselves. That we are still denying our subgroup. You dog of a pig. You stinking dog of a dirty pig. Unyushi, born criminal. Ndo jabwe liosu. Amususu ndoshi. If I had that, because I don't watch you, you're crap. But then when people now watch again, and when people always put an eye on you, or everybody can get reply you. And when them targets, and when they got what I can get, I will deal with them the way I want to deal with them. But you, Udele, anything that has to do with you and Udele, I'm here 24/7. I'm a tono kakirishi. Every other person is a distraction. I will know how to deal with the focus. Do my hair maggots. I know how to deal with maggots. But the hunagene, Ndoshin and Dama will keep telling people the truth. But now, Ndoshin, bone stalking blood criminals like you. So you decided to come and deny it. Are you still denying it? Do you want to continue to deny it that everybody should disregard Guys, stop the account of Unushi like you that this account to say that AG account how are you? We can make it possible for you. We can put an end to it. Is that how you want it? Is that how you want it? I ain't going to matter everywhere. Do you want to try it? Criminals or born thieves. And we want you guys to work. Guys, I will update you how much they have generated in that account. And that's tifu that are ashamed of their stupidity. Are you now ashamed of your stupidity? You are now ashamed to tell the people that you guys are hungry beggars. Anyway, guys. The main criminal behind that was subgroup. Now, I'm going to guys share this program because I am going to show you guys. On she tag that criminal and I heard that you said if he's in England by bringing out picture of Udele 5 years I'm molested Udele molested at the age of 5 years. Look at how that guy developed a pivot. Look at you swan. You said that because you live in UK, you don't know how laws in America work. Are you a fool? Are you a dumb that you cannot travel to Nigeria? Does it mean that you cannot also come to America? Huh? So you cannot take a flight and come and get justice for Udele that are brought out on where? Allah, let me block all this that tunnel. So imagine that America is a free land. And when you have international lawyers, and when you have lawyers that operate internationally, they live all over the world. And when they want in America, and when they want in England, and when they want in all developed countries, go online and search one. Tell them that somebody like me Devote a child. Why are you saying, I wish I'm in England? Ndeni in England, Guinea man on our law never apprehended them. See, onyene kubodo kugeche na mad na yadime. Stupid empty barrier. Talking rubbish. Geche na when you ga pass tally. Empty pocket. Yeah, motrawu English. Ambokola hon hana be here. When you take the la hon hana ba be ma here. Amu gishi ba yo basara go. Mam itegrela amu gishi. Ndushi brother robbery. So you guys are ashamed now to tell the tag that on your shin. Eh? Tag that on your shin. Baby, my pen wind down now. The heater is on the room, sir. Oh, turn not the heater off. It's too hot for the heater. You know we can't the heater on. The heater is on. Please, can you turn the heater back? Turn it off. Thank you. Thank God I'm blocked by here. Get take half of am here. Okeke had a screenshot to get today. Didn't know make me shake like here actually no one peeps. Only made I like the other yam. Be away from that my stand. Be. Oh my goodness. What to go? But this dog of Unyoshin criminal, they put to a hold to this criminal account. Mega price and still denying that the account does not belong to you guys. Which one do you want? It's okay we take out all that time. It's Persian and the account is Zugoshi. It's okay, try. Do you still want to do you look at the movie play? You punk criminal. But that's your kunu raise chego, kunu kawunya na gota. But this one no wash you appear in Ishi. Ishi na Udele. Who is Udele's child? Oh, that's that thing anyway future. Or that smelling thing anyway future that you guys abused her. Abused her, molested that child. Are you talking about that thing who they slept and molested what at the age of 5 years? When you and Udele we are busy accusing me that I want to imbecile children. Ashimamadu on ha kubu akubunde nda pahuru we pahuru kubuogi. Idiot. You can't even stand and run a proper program for this, that your imbecile friend Ijele that will not see the daylight anytime soon. I lay my gate on hold to it until only when the account I put and verify that account here is legit. Or do you still want to shut your trash and raise that money as a hungry bastard you are, as a church rat you are? Doshi. Guys, can we put this in? Can you know the WhatsApp group? Can you know the latest one? How far they have raised the money? Criminals. Calling people criminal. Doshi. Bunch of undo. Now, let me show you guys the WhatsApp group. Ogechi will pray. You are lying. Why you keep lying? You know what are you not ashamed of your stupidity? Ipotra, Oshdo disclaimer. Now, come on, you movie. Come on, all the accounts so far they have donated. Now watch those criminals. And let's watch the account the whole thing is going into. Thieves, porn criminals, doshi. You got donate again or show one Sunday. ị ga-ahụ chebe ha donate ka ha dere ha were ink ka gbuo onwe ha nke a donate 2 million chere lekwa ya nke donate 2 million lekwa aha ya here lekwa ya nwa donate 2 million lekwa ya here what donate on which day donate on April 23rd 2024 inside the WhatsApp group yes and ya mana kagbuo account ya ọ kagburu the remaining balance ya kagbuo ihe ya lekwa ya onye nwa donate ya lekwa ya ndoshi God donate 2 million naira yeah. So imana na donate ya mana send and the lawyer ha na emekuku your case worst you what go so Udele don't remove Oge to avoid someone screenshotting your husband or kids, please. Oh no, it's Ubano. How about animal? My husband will not come out again. Okay, one do shina like the WhatsApp group created. Now let me show you another. People are give the K 10,000. Sorry, K 10,000 naira. That's how they are donating. Show you. I the WhatsApp group Ndoshi. Had there. National Ijele. Hold on. National Ijele speaks too. The choir Ndoshi born criminals. Good evening, house. We really appreciate those who supported what we are doing. May God bless you all. The choir Ndoshi. Okay, 2 million. So you are still denying it. Okay, God bless you, big brother. You are really your brother's keeper. The great Ijele. The great Ijele. What's up? Their numbers in you are denying it. Criminal, you are denying what you guys are doing. Deny it. Now people who donate so far. Their chat there. The person on the group screenshot the great Ijele speaks. Thanks to you. On nga jiri phone on nga jiri phone name operate. All Ijele fans should not panic. He will soon be out. The same language hanaso. Ndoshi. It's a restriction na the account. It's the same account. Ndoshi. Okay, all the same accounts. Oshi disclaimer. So let's assume Ogechi is raising money. Imagine account to Udele. Let's assume much normal create this thing. You see how cheap that chime is you. Don't worry, all the can get in your account to a restriction in Ishi. All the way back a bit. Okay, get you. Come on, block what you come on, Shinga for some. Okay, have you seen it? Akuna criminals ndo shinama. Oputara na deny. Shigi get believe ko la he get chideku. So let's assume that I want to yawuru account to Udele kam geji. Yawuru na account to Udele kam geji rezere ego mepe WhatsApp. You see how cheap. You see how cheap these dogs they. You see how cheap this criminal so far they get 10,000. When they get 2 million, see them should all not get the success again. Big brother, thank you. The great Ijele speaks. Oh, what's up, yeah? Kana dogara ego. What do you mean? The phone. Oh no, punk criminals. I better deny no man. Yeah, with the name Serena not what's up. The idiot yeah, I always give me a minute. The reason why I was covering this because I told you all I go on my platform. Do to give this your useless do to give. I got no me for now what people go there sirigi. I will be on your neck. I'm gonna go nowhere. I'll be exposing so Kahamate go Niji. Kaloya unu kowebo unu mate go Niji. Kana charge money. Kana dog it day. As more people, as more matter ego le no gina, ana dog ego ni na he na erase riga na agbo. Ana erase riga na agbo. Ige when a piece na this blue as far as nam bento. Ige when a ị ga-watch chọkpụ ọkpụ nne gị na Telegram watch bụ onwe gị akpa gị ị ga-anụ ụda ya ị ga-anụ ụda ya you never see anything onye oshi nke so far ihe so far egolo erezi e nwere information ndị mmadụ nyechara ma achọghị ime expose onye mere m ji wetaga bekwa ya ọgbụla so far egolo ereziri o your brother's keeper. The great Ijele speaks. Ogechi me pray. WhatsApp group. Unyushi criminals. Ndoshi. The on your account. Your account Ogechi. Your account Ogechi. Ebari Ubweginash. Ijele speaks too. Gehone. Yehuna Ndoshi. But I was up on an echo. I should disclaimer. Now the party had your new ship hand, the choir. Now the party had your new ship post, the choir. Members through in higher 89 or is it not the same account? I don't know. Kamushipa another go post on our Facebook with the same accounts. The same account post on our Facebook about the same thing. Yeah, but deny ya you ship. Hold on, let me go to my page. Where I made that put the same account, nothing changed. Punk criminals. Everybody disclaimer. Okay, good dollar. So you guys are ashamed of ourselves. So you didn't mezunu. You didn't mezunu. Doshi. Chereme with that one on Facebook. Ka cross check here. More the same account, more the same account. Chere no be here with the wait. I got cross check here. More the same account. Chere, okay, idiot to the chere. Hold on. Come with a bill. No. I got mama the same. Because which account is still operating with this? Is it not the same account? Or who hold the same account in a delete negigene? Is it not the same account to be kono? Or who hold the same account? The same one open on Facebook. A man and screenshot or like in a delete negi makanene. Why are you guys lying? Is it not the same account? Oh, are you guys not seeing? Is it not the same account? Or who the same account? Or who the same account? 77203. Or who the same account? Okay, can you check on what's up? What's up? Those criminals. The face of organizer of criminal. The face of criminal. Deny even if you can put up straight face and denied the WhatsApp group, you guys are raising money. Deny the face of the men born criminals. Face of those you think you can come and cover shit up? The face of the very useless man, hopeless brokers man cannot cover 10,000 or 50,000 pounds. Look at somebody that is is it not the same account to come now Jugiko with any other account that I don't know that it is different from this one that I'm sure guys I'm the one on WhatsApp again. Let me come to WhatsApp. Why would you deny it? In here again. Try the post so this post do you share bafutan ya shege disclaimer le kwa onyo shi ya shege disclaimer how thief, how criminal doggy human being order le kwa Kwena ko she be disclaimer ya. Yeah, post mero cover ihu because I don't want anybody to patronize in those share. Actually, you don't know where show. Why didn't I show it? Now I have showed it to you. Now, Eshina Mukeyan, Onyishi, what more do you have to come and defend? Ndoshi. Or should I see restriction on the account? Go to better another new one. Can I petty account on? Which one do you want? Which option do you want? Ndori. So you hear me good that you guys are not man enough to provide the money and fight a Kobe, to provide the money and fight a living faith. In the living faith, teacher again. This criminal and a Udele. I couldn't my voice note that one play back on about that living faith man of God on about war. A man, the woman canon and gap for over a month to not get into 2 months. Wonya whatever the information because the woman the brule gonde japo lecturer so go. The man in where the university woke he released my voice note because sorry close to the man. Kakuchi the man on. Kakuchi the man on. The lady go to the would have about 5 million new Udele. I have a Udele about the man at war for no reason. Now I may not delay the arrest. Now case no issue there. Tell me how this idiot to get G put an email case here. And we hope for the man. He got Udele. You know, people on your lecture 2 million just to go and garbage because she is a fool. I will show her the gravity of the thing in Oginishi and want to get negotiation. But nevertheless, we don't care. We don't care if they're giving you money or they are not. That is none of our business. Because if they go on and they say, oh, they can let me tell you. Then Udele and co. Let me tell you the kind of fight you guys are fighting. It's like, okay, I will name them one after another. The kind of fight you guys are fighting. Ebgobi is like only when a private jets. Genwe hana Okeke na pepe. Ebgobi only when a private jets. Genwe Okeke na pepe. Gina ya na wanaka. Kegi usafi mwe huti Okeke na pepe. Now living faith di only when a private jets. And other ones I don't want to release their names. All these prominent people that you have accused, that you have labeled all manner of stuff, all of them will bring up their cases. So I won't go 2 million now. Or 10,000. I just want to understand. Which of them can match? So the person who will like this, my brother, he got more money. You will pay more money because this 2 million they can give with like get show markers through biscuits. Udele gave face the deepness. About 5 people are strong, or other ones will just say minor complaint. They didn't tell you. You guys did not believe me. If you don't want to care who that ending of that month, I need to change who they call dates. This 2 million is just imagine. Let this guy not go free. Go free where? Go free where, my brother? Which place? Go free where? A big can get the free. If these people will keep up straight face, that they are not raising money. You don't know that we are everywhere. Iman and Zion are everywhere. So you don't believe that that's your useless group that you believe in. The same Ijele speaks. The same Shiji account to Yana scam people in a group ya. That put a keep post straight face deny ya. Why won't you deny? It's a shameful thing. Oh, somebody have one brother skipper. The same day wishy that he need to wish he can have. So somebody has now become your brother skipper. Okwenye Igbo kwere go, Okwenye Igbo kwere go gwa. Ndi Igbo are nowhere to be found. Kwora get this morning. Okwenye Igbo man kwere go gwa. You want me to show you his name? Take am shiga hayo. The Igbo man kwere get the 2 million. Kam shiga hayo. All the salmon Ndi Igbo choro Igbo. Ima Ndi Igbo nwere obi ọma. All one thing about them. Lekwa ya. Let me turn it, guys. Lekwa ya. All one Igbo. Ndi Igbo. Lekwa ya. Lepa the agama parege because a man he name lepa and all the guy going long. Imagine OMG about 3 persons in another your group and honey nene chanage. Honey nene all of them that they support to get. Open all the house to again your group. Lepa the idiot. It's a kangwagi no man not has to all the same persons. Wonye graga digi, they petition a chakamishigia. They petition next Istanbul Basarage. The person Chorogon or one and the who tray. Actual who go out chi. You think you're safe to the now. Imagine. Oh, sharp, oh, you don't know that we're gonna get information to deal with your stupid lies. But what I deny you again. But that deny even what they call him that campaign. After this, I have to make calls. Can pull up account to you just scam or mad. Oh no, I couldn't put an deny that you guys are not the owner of this account. So the best thing and what they got order, I block all this account until Udele lapota. Yeah, be kill him account. Yeah, and they put an deny in here now. So okay. Another one. You bloody sucking demon. Every deny got the this account on us scam. Every put an deny this account on us scam. You criminals. You she born doggy criminal. Thief the men scamming business when we GD same scam. You don't know what you know. Udele diafole everything at Lola Yego. When the portal, yeah, you guys gathered around and raise money for the bastard. Bomi here, Potaronya na Hopanuru. Bomi here, Potara disamu so every time a raise ego. Koji Pano when you on a raise ego for the Rex privilege, on a raise ego for them boro. Every time a raise ego, go back on Rogapuru. Unagata again. Oh, what the same woman, oh, one you go. I won't do why Sugara praise. I eat she with me, where boo. I won't you bunny shake him here. Only bunny this morning. Not a kiddy bunny this morning. And you get go. Those sheep put up me fucked up disclaimer. A man, I information. A man, I information. Unyoshi, Dori, deceivers, thieves, criminals, and bright and brought up criminals. Ndoshi, if you can deny you can deny the mother that gave back to you, knowing fully well that all of you are in this group looking for help. Ma pata wori here because a chom can de madu she platform mu nye go get na wash. You born thief. How they can send again to that your useless account and put on hold to it. Kai matazie bu no ga na eje raise the money. You na chowa kwachori mepe that one. And you will take video evidence where you say that page the account on ask am. You made this post. You also made a video. We have to present it that this is what you said. So to have using this account to scam the public, put a hold to it. Don't you think so? Don't you think so? Don't you think it's the best solution for this? You said this, the Ogechi, Okeke, and her groups are using this account to scam you. The best solution is to put a hold to this account until further notice. Am I not making sense, guys? Am I not applying wisdom here? I'm going to hear rubbish English with no common sense. It just not one go, just not one week egbe no. You just they shoot yourself on the leg, thinking you are smart. With a brain, only with it, especially you that talk out of your mouth without your brain. You don't get sense. It's a strike for that one. Do you want to doubt Dr. Rip? Do you still want to claim that you guys are not the owner of this account? Can we investigate who is the owner? Because you're saying it out of your mouth, from your mouth. Come on, that is it, my brother. Somebody is denying account to have a rate. Somebody is using it to scam them. The good thing is not to put a hold to it. It's the best thing. Until the owner put on. So somebody account to get defraud the people where we know nothing about. Don't you think it's a smart move to take? Talk of a pig. I'm not one outside to get worse to know the last situation. Oh no. Because I want to count, I'll block all this one and I'm another one exposed because we are everywhere. That one, I block because we want to stop all this 419 in Ghana, Nigeria. We don't want it to continue. But so you're in the moon now. So you're not man enough to stand and claim, yes, we are raising money. Oh, what a shame. What a shame that a full-grown ass man like all of y'all can deny what you guys are doing in your WhatsApp group. What a shame. What a bloody shame. You me boogie. Epela can piari brain. Epela can quarry your remaining brain for us. Look at you. You run out disclaimer. Disclaimer. Ogechi di kuogi. Ichoro ka pia amwana e weta idea de ragadi. Mo onye nwo. Nchoro enu ga ma aru kage. Nchoro enu ga ma aru ga mu charge ma aru gi stroke ka pia ge. Yakwa wisdom Ogechi enwere mi anwe ya very very well. Do you continue want to deny it? Dore criminals, born thieves. Imakuna Zion everywhere. Do you know that Zion when Madwe only pose he need one phone call? Do you know that? And I log with your great grandfather. Now watch again I log with stupid things everywhere. Stupid smelling things everywhere. Now over my program I'm watching I'm an shut all this rubbish down. We don't want anybody to use the last account to scam anybody. We don't want it to happen. It's not why we're here to stop all this criminality lifestyle. So the best thing is to put an end to it. Put on hold to it until Udele will come out and appear that no account here they okay. Because you made it clear that somebody is using accounts to scam. Dori. Things. You know shit brain. That means she empty brain. And I so English. Ya want English you no carry on a presidential seat. You just English you no carry on a presidential seat and not control the economy of Nigeria. But who need Ndi Igbo claim that have English where are they? Where are they? Millions of you guys go channel Aguchimo when end there up no bodo yibo. Still any single position banura even in England onya gbara ihe na anu na ye bewere ga akwa. Yeah, bewere ga akwa. English, nothing to write home about. It bunch of it is a brain. And I call it only who give people can ask English. Brain. Nothing to write home about. And I call it. So you guys are ashamed of yourselves. And that investigate mata mgbe ego ji abataga ime account Udele mata mgbe Udele ji move ego from account ya to another person. Don't you think we can investigate that and print it out to be a jingy? Okwano maru gwangwa print account Udele that print ya when the money come out and when the money didn't come out. Eh? Dori thief, straight up thief. Babishi now Ogechi create a group my account Udele shekwe mana na Udele ugo Udele am choron come get what account to the lache the man you go. You see how cheap the wasn't you don't have thinking faculty, you don't have brain, your brain is very less. Okay, Chicho good de la account to the laji create a WhatsApp group. Okay, when sense all the can down with it ukashi chotula. Eh? Kemu chanu Igbo nware cha brain ya na koyinyo ibe be deny he black and white. Dori look at 2 million akweja shun ngba were je ezuru ihe. Come 2 million akweja shun oh heja 2 million 10,000. Oh ha do wara gi so far 2 million 10,000. Oh he ji na make sia. Okay, je make a living faith or kije make a bukobi. Somebody needs to give you from 1 billion up. Oh. Somebody needs to give you from 1 billion up. You want to go? Somebody putting no argument, man, call on total. Me call after me chara here, ma be regano. I'm Keisha regano. Actually, I'm going that debt you wish other people come they wish gi. So he wish him come they wish gi. Actually, I told them. Give on how timelessly I'm working to make sure I name all my enemies, yeah, which you are part of them. Gaman am the mean. Oh, Pilaramazu, when I want to deal with somebody orobo, and I make kuyam bakon. I call it some ganje sogi. You should get your enemy, and I may do my number one. Astronomy within 1 billion. Ishi groma. Somebody needs to give you heaven, oh, because the mess you are in, this almost shake naira to garage is not gonna save you. You're supposed to be down. When all this woman shower praise. When not go good them. When I meet, when I bleach at them. They get dollar. They need to support you. This is the time you need them. This is the fucking time you need them. I'm weird. This is the time you need all these people. You need dollars and pounds, not naira. You need dollars and pounds, baby. You want to go? Saga George, relax. Saga George, don't talk more. Relax. Like I said, and when we DM gay, Puma let my person down. Just get relax. Cool. Babim. Babim. Just nail anya. Many, I should minutes a half or years half order. Any those that go on your program. You need those that on a program, gonna shage dollar. Again, make Ijele, we got your back. Oh, this shit, look like. I bet what they did now, you know, what's your account to go? Ndocho ziribu ge buka piachegi. Ke hang is up. Cannot mugu. Jigi barego. Because I share account to give way on alternative with account to another. And when you can't put money, you have piachia. Mokononya. Emewa investigate on us. No, I just join Areko Yanime EFCC. Arunye you will believe ya. Nana Chugana Chomoge. Anna Chunewana Chomoya. In idea. Those criminals everywhere. A potrabish disclaimer. No, you fully well that you are wound. So you are ashamed. you are ashamed. Can we play good video? Because I have not played it. Can we play good video where you are lying? Straight up lying. That this is not your account. That you are not aware of this. Daddy, imenukia, imachana shi white on in a to ashe. Atwala shi was so much in ato. Daddy, enough of all this disgrace. Okay, I'll pay your account to one. That it look that somebody Gianna scam unu. And you will tell you to Ndi crime this na catchy ya. Ashoka account is scamming people. Half our market. Udele Ogechi kwenke wuri. Nah, nda market atwash. Nda this Chineke nda. Here me buogi. Stop shaming. Daddy, don't they shame yourself. Daddy, don't Chineke nda. Daddy, in a minute, don't get here. A man and give me chilion. Give this particular topic, Pukarakema, than a disgrace in a with moon. Why are you denying the truth? Is that how stupid you could be? Human with kid damage, even put one what that's wrong. I put that you guys said that the account is coming with your name. You accuse me that I'm a prayer. So to get the fact that I'm not with the account, I put to hold on it. Don't you think it's a good idea? Ogechi, a very wicked woman. Hey, the idiot put those. Tell me I will take the program here. Go put your disclaimer. Put your disclaimer with a straight up lying, talking son of a nobody. Put your straight up face now to ash. False. That the question where I should stop this rubbish. Eh? They should have stop this rubbish. Ignore this topic. I want a topic and one cutting. Medicaid na the person attack but because of guilty conscience. The highest year. And I book put a goni in at Rolando so far. Dori Oriako thief. Scamming thief. No go. Maybe lawyers don't know how much you're raising. Maybe you will tell 2 million or so far. I put that Chema video, yeah. Because I heard that you made a video. When you watch it, when you kogalam, that's your rubbish. Yeah, here. Chema, that's your useless video you ran. I gain on you. How he denied it though. Idiot on a Ghana side 24/7 and when Morgan on all made video. On your roommate yana happy. Mogepoya made video. Look here. Lying straight up. Look where the issue punja pagaya le gbe ona yusuna. Ekiti ada sekiti obule ekiti afternoon every time yes to put. Now to actually look like a fool. Look like a fool he is. Look here. Look when one anonymous no ebe above outside. Onye ma roommate Ogepoya kuoku. Look how disturbed he is.
Good evening, guys.
Get old fool.
Good evening, people.
We are listening to you.
Let's get in here.
So you're hearing the moon. So you are ashamed. Try.
I'm fine again. I got just happen.
You're hearing me book.
Definitely good evening. Sorry, guys. This is coming a little bit late.
Bien,
But
can't you go inside, stay in your house and make a video? Or we look at the one in a warning, they make all a noise. Or we were a roommate in Ashige, in a Susnaya, on the side is can't you go in your everybody now one super here on a school in London? Gamma, it was you hang outside. Well, you know now other secure place in those. Why can't you go inside? Is that how useless you have become? A full grown ass man. I got the proud to sit in his house and run a program. By this godly hour came outside. I'm going. I'm na woto for life. No grief for anybody. Each other come now go comment again. That's where you will see me. I'm gonna follow no this page. Woto for life. Oh, no. Other places I go comment to. Join the anom na woto for life. No grief for anybody. Eba kega comment. Join the anom for woto. Now go listen to only Oshi because eji mana kwamuramu. Hama kabisha wotagi anom na hana agbare na group ahụ. Hana agbare. How is this monster is getting the same? Nkam puputere go na to so far eh. Araga that's it. Look at you. Iji account to de la need na ikwane Let me listen.
good evening. Madachi Zanyawo. The public disclaimer.
Did I hear him?
Good evening, all.
Did I hear him? Truth to talk about public disclaimer.
A beautiful day today.
Truth. Listen.
Good evening. Basically, I know it's quite late. Apologies for coming this late. But it is important.
Let me watch it on outside. Kick anya. In him and a shindeni na. Yanu Udele we free. When ke banuru no bodo yibo. The good question on outside the kick anya. This godly hour. Organi me ya we go cool. Do bam jiri do. I can know young by what time is this? 12:57. What about them? No here. You want to go show? They can't be like. You want to go? Could you just imagine? Eh? Because of put through the information, cover up. But to better cover up, I will make call this morning. Thank God the Nigeria believe it. Maybe I put all that restriction on that account. I might know what the accounts for real. Then we will know. Because we were thief. And I need people see your useless mouth now not ego. That be put to public because you ain't brain. Your brain is just a half thing. Why could they listen to this dog of a man?
I make this clearly known to all. First, there's a WhatsApp group that is being created with a clone name or phone number of Ijele. For now, we are not in a position to ascertain how they got hold of that phone number.
Hey!
But like I did mention,
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hey! When they started speaking this, they are rubbish 28 years agro in England. Some fools will be buying this, their useless idea. You see? Gilonia na get your banuru. Imagine just waste ya with dedicated fool. Nene waste ego. Share JJ school bano when you would. Yeje go as a book. So you can equally deny you. It would equally deny your own way. The way you are. Because you're a bloody sucking demon. Could you just imagine? Actually, clone the sub group. A boom me get on account to Udele. Jesus. Maybe I need to account to her. Any three shake it. I get with the power to major mega operate now. TN account one. Do unushi. Listen.
Also privy to information on the 20th, the Nigerian police, the very corrupt few police officers, those who are cutting videos and recording, and they can come and cut this bit and send to them as well again. They compromised the Ijele's phone. So they took his phone off him. He went on interview all by himself. And they somehow extracted information.
But wait. Ebe napuru Udele. Yaka on account ya. She okay. The police they were we I need to bring this attention to people, because the kind of allegation you are laying on Nigerian police officers who are working diligently to make sure that this case is served with equity and justice. The kind of lies you're perpetuating on these police officers is very alarming. It's very, very alarming. And we need to bring this to their attention. So this account, so now you are accusing the police officers as well that they are the one that are operating on Udele's account. Is it not what you're saying? So it's no longer only me. Now it's me and the police officers who is operating on Udele's account. So instead of this thing to continue going on, we should find a way and put an end to this. Don't you think it's the best way to solve this problem, my people? Don't you think the best thing to do is to put on hold to this account until I and Nigerian police are proven guilty before the account will be reopened? Or whichever not the best thing to do. Let's continue to listen to you, because he will wolf. Can you make
information and pass it on to these criminals?
Okay.
And to make it known, it is the criminal in Chicago.
Okay.
The prostitutes. Sorry,
okay.
The beautiful man, son of my language.
Your mother is a prostitute. Because a very good, reasonable mother that will get back to a useless man in England. Yaga monodia na susu like you. No dia put on social media. Now why he's follow ewu no nanga ya putaga na Telegram. Ka haga neni wejiri moya. No reasonable man, no reasonable woman will give back. Unless money only to carry me and a show. Even negishire wogo paranishi. As a dog of a man you are. The only thing negra England give me we gonna Telegram. Kegacho money geli uya. Because a bomb brought up upon again. When I wanna get back to time the go shade. And when anything is reasonable in your brain. Because I never see somebody spendere nishiki. He may child useless like you. Eji manu Igbo, ke go to school ya pano where you ru. Represent a bowl or no. Oh, we ego one negi fro or ego negi na gay dog of those two things. All Ali. Nani you had get a man every time you put na kagarine suswari on social media. Look at your life. If you can deny the account when you create it, what more can't you deny? You can get denied, but that dog of thing, because you hopeless thing who is only thing that can give back to a bastard like you. And when any reasonable mother that will give back to a useless man like you, it's not possible. You will come out broad daylight on this blue app and you keep lying. That account you may pronounce on the seat fund. It get deny with your bloody sucking mouth. When I do that, men like you are not men enough. So you are ashamed of yourself that you guys are begging and crawling to get money for lawyer. him reach potane dina iku negi iku ashawo negi morogene. Listen.
A criminal in Chicago by name Ogechi.
Imagine.
He is the one.
Let's assume now me and you is having problem. As an educated idiot you claim to be, you address me as my name, but you a fool, educated tout. When you're in school, when that person speak, hey gamma, you are just a wasted product. You see you because you're a hopeless man. When you associate with Udele like you, come to man that and when anything that will be, and when anything is good, you get issue from a deputy like Udele and the useless idiot. Onye neya ni chatara tissue moya ni moya. And when we get you can't even address me properly as a educated idiot. Oh, onya gonna one a shower one day or grad school. Yana one with educated west of spam. Oh here. Yes, my English. You couldn't advise Udele to panel when you would. You see the trouble he support to Udele led him to. Let's see how far Udele will stay in this. This is the end of him. A surely may agree. I get chef and they chef for ya why your bundara. Go and mark this date. Udele will be useless. Anything about him will be forgotten. Even you get pay wapa, unu ga amon and de unu na haka baramba. Go and mark this date in Barage. Muma na wage. Udele will be forgotten and the chef will delete here in this office. Unu ga na every dog up. He will never come out again. Go and save him Barage today. Emani here, you will listen for what I told you. Emari Ife. I'm not shocked. I'm not shocked that people that follow Udele only reason from their anus. None of them reason from their thinking faculty.
Behind that fake WhatsApp group. And we have said it. We do not operate on any WhatsApp group. There's no WhatsApp group. We've been going about calling people. Since yesterday, we've been having notifications from people. Reaching out.
Look at a criminal.
Calling people.
A poor criminal.
We're going to call them at a certain time
to
add them to WhatsApp group. Who are trying to rally around for support for Ijele.
Could you just imagine?
Let this be a disclaimer. We are not organizing any WhatsApp group.
Okay.
We are not reaching out to anybody. We are not going public to ask for any funds. We are working independently on.
Hey!
We've not gone.
Chineke, God of Nazareth. Hey! I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. Hey! Tell me he gave me associated with Udele. Brain God. Hey! Ashababulan. Ngwanu lenu ni he Udele na agunu. Ngwanu minkeji okuna ni ime. Show me your friends and I will tell you who you are. You are a carbon copy of a what? No wonder. I hope a full grown ass man. I got no like this. Name a video stand on the outside at this godly hour. Or no whole lawyer. That shows a lot of uselessness in organime. Oh yeah, roommate bio. Hi. Oh, cool. Oh, when you na abaku de langolo ruya kuma wanyi me mu hapuka ho don poya. Mande no na di udela do bana yime very soon. O maka hashim kulu godi. Aga me apa hashim no hap. Hashim no joma zu eshimoru. Zoma zu eshimoru. They will not some care on this social media. Hey. Joma you can put up a straight face. Don't worry. I got ma. Onya eh. Hey.
Ask anybody outside of our cycle, for any sort of financial assistance. And importantly, we do not float any WhatsApp group. if you have been added to any WhatsApp group, claiming that it comes from the great Ijele or the king of the game, because they've gone on to create multiple, some in the name, the great, the Ijele speaks to.
But, you lying dog of a pig. Who is the owner of that account number? Or account to the like a got inside that account or not? This 2,010,000 or which account called Barime? Because when the police on a man operate and I cash the money there. That is why we need to put an hold to it. Can go on happen about there? Don't you guys think so? Hey. This guy won't show. He will bandit. Opportunity poor na Nigeria. Ya wuru na onya lekwe hu criminal porn criminal. Ya wuru na Nigeria. Onya ga wu oga ka Boko Haram njo. Amusua. Could you just imagine what somebody put up a straight face? Na true na she. Egwana collect you. The same account that has been used to collect money, even in one on this the same account. Tonya Putrana, somebody mega operate here.
On the through some of the game, and they've been adding people. This is to see how a few corrupt officers can be, and this is to see how ungodly your God of men are, because it only takes people with criminal minds to engage in such. Look at the man in a cook, we are not Chakishana. One on your buying me your JMA video. Yeah, a full grown ass man. Look at Jamana to late 50s. Now side and a cook, we are Chakishana. And we've been Mamuke to leave me your MA video. Came with 120 years old in England. Yene we accusations. Na be me your heart na buogi England me a Nigeria. Be me ya waf at buogi England the Nigerian jo. Anum she which can a bagwe jam for she ba handa bunu. Bow yo me video as a full grown ass man yo. Cause we back at touch. You cannot speak loud, or you be a very poor neighborhood where you cannot speak loud. Ashim give me your agwa gi gine kuga chakashiane. I'm England, even Nigeria then from Nigeria to England the 6 hours. Yeah, I got the machine gun from here to California, we will last 6 hours. On a phone. Ashim give to Nigeria back with me your war or what we at the boogie. Onye me bonye ebi. Anum she when ebe na even say Chineke na. Next time Gabi me yo, he was full grown ass man that been in England for how many years? But you are paying the bill. You see how I scream? Because I'm paying the fucking bill here. The only thing I did just look at because so much can go on. You name me bulage. Well, they are homeless. Best of the same feather flock together. Broke ass useless men. And when an Igbo fucked up who come on me. Then I put it in Ndi Igbo. I won't know. Dala. Where could they listen? Just to make this one, please. If previously or Ijele has your number and somehow you get a call, Nigeria number or any number asking you, they will call you to send you a WhatsApp link. You don't watch your video that you are shaming your old age. Can't you see how you're shaming your old age? Can't you see how you're making caricature of your stupidity? Even you are really blocking the road for Ndege here for them. Because you're still denying that the accounts you to get gonna all scam. You are still telling people that the account of Udele rates get gonna all scam. Guys, so that they hear them. All she no scam, and the police scam will go through that place.
Okeke sharing me. He said that the accounts Udele Yusuga, no scam. Nande police say men operate, patani ma the account. Hey, look at the boy. When you know that I won't be able no po. When they be like this, one way about. You are really dog of a man, man.
For you to, work with them in regards of Ijele, disregard that.
Jesus.
After now, I will share some screenshots we've got on Ijele's page for you guys to see. And I still say it. The person responsible, the person behind it is Ogechi Njaka. And the person that they handed all those stolen data from is accusations. He should see my face. We cannot shy away from the truth.
Come back to Nigeria when you mention Ako. Ako no Nigeria. That was the day I was talking with Alisa. Much Alisa, man, over na Ako. Come na Mozambique, na me operate. Hagasha Ako come to Nigeria. Na Ako is in Nigeria. Ana ebu alebu. You should not hide your face. Udele is Udele apprehend. You are the best friend of the criminal Udele, a bandit, a deportee career. You should travel to Nigeria. Nigeria. I could dealt with Matthias. He was in Nigeria. I could deal with Udele, which I could deal with the remaining 4. He still be in Nigeria. In a day, make a Guinea. What are you doing? She should not hide the face. Now I couldn't name that. You see how you accuse him now. You see how you accuse Wako. Ona ni ako kabona ede na mma na Zion. Ona ni ako kabona ede na mma na Zion. Ifula ni nwoke ritual imura negi abatike takake na ari ego ritual to Nigeria kage na nwoke ibe ngi je nwa anya aka na aka. Nwoke ni ibe ya ha n'ọnụ. Calm down. Ash akwa ekwe ni gi nwoke ka eji. When you hear about Samuel Udele, more kwanu ga no Nigeria, banja file ga my lawsuit, man dem abi man da baby. Ga no Nigeria na file the lawsuit against her. Why your lawsuit? Banja na pia man da baby man de ga pia. You dey pia na ya mata na Igbo Odogwu. Anyway, you know you cannot price. Don't you get me? Odogwu must not be in Nigeria. Potentially Igbo Odogwu. Put all your lawsuit straight up. Onye jangonye karaka. This is what you need to do. If you cannot come down for one thing or another, with your egogi, because you are odoguless. You are harmless man. That is why you prove it. You will prove it on your shit. Oh, it's an only with a problem with many. Churches in India with a problem are fighting against, and how many members everywhere. You have a small brain. You reason with a small skull of hair, brain, a small skull of brain. You don't have everything with a sense. You want to do quicker in a avoid, but you don't have common sense. You a very little one. It's about when you just corner of university and a reasoning, your own is zero. Am I here? Let's listen.
They are clever, they are not. Or we'll come to those beats. I don't want to get distracted.
Look at it. Look at it.
For now, there's nothing more to say.
Look at it.
Everything is being done. We are making progress. But like I just said, our duty, our job is to starve them of oxygen. We are not going to put anything out on social media that's not meant to be on social media. We are not interested on coming on social media to, talk much. Do that when it's necessary.
You are not coming on social media to talk much anymore. They push you go on. No one, Ogechi Okeke Njaka will push. I'm a robotagi, I'm like this to Ogechi. Go on. Never say the them. no they breathe. You go talk. You know, you start to call me. Why don't I avoided you. You keep calling me. Ishi I shower nigga about you. You go talk. Never see anything. You must poop out that your constipation. I got no constipation again. You that molested my kids. You that lied against Omomo. You that mocked my children in Hubanyambo. You. I mean, again, constipation again. I will make sure. Many patients and saying I won't. Damare, or may make turn up. When I go turn up, go roll around, push the poop out. Look at you. Come on, shut up.
But now it is pertinent. I come out to say to the, to the general public and to all members of a generation, please be on the lookout, be on alert. If you do get any number adding you to any WhatsApp group, and the group is not known to you, or the group is titled anything relating to the game, undiluted truth,
you don't even know how to cover your lies. The group is not known to you. The group is undiluted. Because no number ni na ho no ho. There. Na bono ha. Na bono ha. My brother, Iwaji no shi. Iwaji eat. Iwo no shi kewo.
Or Ijele speaks to, please exit that group, block it and report it to WhatsApp. Ogechi, Njaka, and her criminal gangs, the useless riffraffs, they are all engaging in this. Do not pass your money to any of these guys. Truth be told, majority who have tried to reach out to me or to other persons trying to show some financial support on their family team, we've told them,
Chineke, because show me where I go faint. Show me which way I go faint. Hey, show me where I go faint. So the shame is too much. Oh, hey, thank God though. Our account too. De like raise again. How can I show our account to yours?
Thank you. For now, we do not need financial support. When we get to that bridge, when we do need it, we'll make it public as well. So, guys, I know it's quite late. Any WhatsApp group you see anywhere, if you're being added and you do not know that WhatsApp group, you don't know, it has nothing to do with Ijele at all. It has nothing to do with the king of the game. The person floating that group is a criminal in Chicago. And her riffraff gang of criminals. They can go any length to do their works. But one thing I guarantee everyone, justice will be served. One, she has taken part of the pictures that were stolen, fraudulently obtained from Ijele's phone last week to make a video. And the young daughter, the young girl that is there is Ijele's daughter, mother-in-law. This is for the record, so that tomorrow your dog of man, your God of man, and his criminal cohorts will not come and begin to deny their innocence. Now, the question everybody should be asking: Ijele do not put his kids on social media. On her video, she was trying to brag how she got that pictures. But again, like the king of game will always say, they are own goal specialists. They are the best documentarians of their own crime.